Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to put data validations on Excel sheet. Now if this is an Excel sheet I have forwarded to somebody to fill some data, I must put some validation so that incorrect data is not filled. So this is NRIC. In some countries this is called as social security number, in some countries this is called as Aadhaar. So I must fill some validations if I'm giving this form to fill the data. So what I'll do is I'll go to the data tab, I'll click on this, I'll go to the data tab, and I'll go to data validations. Now I know that NRIC should be um, NRIC should be whole number. So I put whole number, and it cannot be negative also. So I'm writing greater than 0. Now if I can replicate this rule to below rows also. If somebody goes and write -9, he'll be prompted with that this does not mean the data validation. Now you can change the data validation pop-up message also. How you will do that? So you go here and text to data validations, input message and error alert. You see, if you want to stop, or if you want warning, you can give warning. You stop, you want to title, you write NRIC 9 digits allowed. You can write negative not allowed, or any of the text thing which you want to enter. Now if somebody goes and write -89, and you'll enter negative not allowed, NRIC 9 digit allowed. You see the same text message as here, so you can custom do that. Now suppose there is a status column, and I want that is statement that if I'll leave it like as a text blank, now somebody can go and write some different spelling of contract or full time. Somebody can write f type, something hourly, somebody could write a h, so that would create problem. So I should put validations in that. Now I'll go here and I'll go this, and I'll go and go and I'll put the list, and source I'm putting it here. So I'll go and I'll select this, and then I'll put okay. Now you see, if somebody goes and he will have to select this, he cannot select any other value. So if somebody goes, he has to select this full time hourly. Now suppose I want to add any more uh, types, like there could be contract full time hourly or some external contractor. So I can go and write external contractor EC external contract. Now if I go and save this, it will not be visible here, you see, because 3. Now one way you can do there, you can press this and you can press shift, you can scroll up, and now when you will control C, it will be visible. Correct. Now you can sort it any, like if you want to sort it, you can anyway sort it. So that's not a problem, you see. That's so it is always you can go and have it. Now it's also possible, like this is a form, you will not put it here, or because if somebody sees, he will edit it. So what you can do, it you can put it in another sheet and you can hide it also. Like you go, you can put control X, you can copy it, you can put it here, control V, control S. Now if you go here, there is no impact on this, you will still find, like you can drag and drop further, new also, you see here also you can find. So there is no impact here, irrespective you put it here, and now you can hide this. There's nobody will find from where it's coming. Similar to the case of like department, here you can go, you can put data validations list, and the source would be this. And if any of the error message you can write, you can custom, ignore blank, you can check or uncheck depending upon this. Now you see all the data validations. Now you can put sorting also. uh, suppose departments, and now suppose IT members are more, so you, if you want to put it in the top, so you can just drag and you can put it here. Now you see, you can control S. Now you see IT will be at the second, you see, so you can sort it here, it will be reflected here. And similar to the thing, you can uh, unhide and the sheet, and then you can cut and paste from here so that nobody sees it. Control V, see, and yeah, there is no impact. Suppose postcode, now we all know postcode is of particular, like there could be postcode of, like this is a postcode, how many digits are there, 1 2 3 4 5, the postcode should be of 5 digits only. So I can put validations on that also, like this. You can go to data validations, any value, and should be uh, length, what is the uh, between, or should not be greater than not equal to, less than, it should be less than uh, 9 maybe, or 7, or maybe whatever validations. So 7, if somebody want to put it 8 digits, and now I'll, sorry, I haven't copied the rule, so I'll delete, I'll copy the rule first here, or you can directly put here. If I'll put it like 9, you see data restriction, so I have, it's not allowed. So if I'll write like 2 digits, it's allowed. So this data validation is very handy if you are preparing input form kind of Excel, and you are passing it to different teams so that they can fill the data. That's all. Thank you.